Hi there, Roberto here with Top One Marketing again with another Builderall tutorial video. And in this video, we are going to show you how to add a click map to your website. So without further ado, let's get into this. So what we're going to do first is we're going to show you kind of, a rundown a little bit of the idea. So what a click map is um, it's a script that you add to your website that allows you to monitor the exact areas where a visitor clicks on your website. So it will track, how many times, a visitor clicked on any of these buttons on your website. And why is this helpful? Well, it's helpful because it shows you the areas of your web page that your visitors gravitate towards the most. And I think that this is, kind of a more effective and affordable way to split test your pages and your designs, because the standard split testing calls for you to duplicate pages and then tweak certain things and then promote those different pages, which as a result kind of causes you to spend money in ways that with this click map would be wasteful in my eyes, because with this here you can see exactly where people are clicking at. Okay, and so if anybody clicks on any of these buttons, it will show you exactly where people are clicking at. So let me show you real quick how to get this done. So when you can go to your Builderall dashboard, go to the apps tab, scroll down there to the new click map area, and then so let me show you real quick before I show you how to add it to your website. Let me show you exactly what you will see in the click map dashboard. All right. So you see here that the click map shows you where people are clicking at. So you'll immediately notice the areas of your website or your web page that visitors are gravitating towards the most. So you can see in this menu up top here, I've got 5 options, and you can see that people are gravitating the most to the prizes button. This is a JV page. It's a affiliate page that gives affiliates information on the product launch, all the information that they need to promote and to get access, and what the software is. This page gives them that information, and you can see right here that most affiliates, one of the most things that they're interested in is, does this product launch have a prize, and how much the prizes are, how much are they, how much is the contest, how much money can they win by promoting this product. So you can see that this button is clicked on the most. All right, then you can see right down here in this area here, you can see that visitors are clicking on this JV Zoo affiliate button the most. They're clicking on this one more than they are the Builderall affiliate link. So what that means is, most of the people that land on this page here are more interested in a JV Zoo affiliate link than a Builderall affiliate link, right? And so this is good information because I know that most people are more interested. Most of the people that land on this page are more interested in the JV Zoo affiliate link than the Builderall affiliate link, and they are more interested in what the prizes are than looking at the tools or the demo video. Okay, And so, so that's what the ClickMap dashboard looks like. Now we're going to go and show you real quick in our conclusion, what do we got to do to get it on your website? So first thing that you do is you click on add new. Let's go with just click new, and then you're going to have to put in the website in here. Sorry. Let's go ahead and copy that. Go right there, paste that in there, add the click map. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go right here and you're going to get the code, the embed code, copy that, and you're going to go into your Cheetah Builder, and you're going to go into your website, right? So I'm in the website right here, and so what I'm going to do is I am going to inject it into the script settings right here on the left side. So you can see right here, I have the script. I've got the script right in here for the click map. Scripts right in here for the click map. And then put it in there. Make sure you enable the synchronous script, and make sure you click save and republish the page. And then you are good to go. You're on your way to tracking the clips on the pages for your website. So if this video was helpful, we would be grateful if you give it a like, give it a share, subscribe to our channel so that the next time we come out with one of these awesome tutorial videos, you will be the first to get notified. So we thank you, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.